Hey everybody, got a quick Curtido recipe. Look at that stuff. Get you some carrots, get you some oregano, black pepper, get you some onions, some kosher salt. There's the cabbage, there's the onions. You're gonna chop those onions up nice, however you like them. Get your carrots, you're gonna skin the carrots, and you're gonna wash all these ingredients. You're gonna skin the carrots, chop them up real good. I use a mandolin slicer to get them really fine. So the onions and the carrots are cut up. You're gonna boil some water. You're gonna pour the water over that cut up cabbage. Put a few carrots on it. Let that hot water sit for 5 minutes with that cabbage. Kind of keep the cabbage and the carrots in there until they soften up. Then you're gonna drain it. Now you see that? After all that, you're gonna put the onions and the more carrots. That way they stay crispy when the cabbage is kind of soft from being in the hot water for so long. Then you're gonna pour in your vinegar and you're gonna put in your ingredients to taste. You can do your oregano, you can do your black pepper, your hot pepper, you can do your kosher salt, you can do the ingredients you like. You're gonna stir it up, get it nice like that. And by the way, when you're all done, you're gonna take this and you're gonna sit it in a glass container, a sealed glass container. And the longer you let it sit, the more pickly it gets, the better it gets. So you see all these ingredients going in here, right? And you're gonna make it the way you want, a lot of different recipes, and you're gonna kind of stir this all up. And this is good for putting on pupusas or any other type of dish. Has a fresh taste and adds a little bit of kick, especially for like spring, like I said, with pupusas or as a side with burgers. It's kind of almost like a salad. Now I put one jalapeno in. You can do a couple of jalapenos. I didn't want it too hot. And you're gonna stir all that up. See, there's more vinegar. The more pickly you want it, the more juice you want, you're gonna put more vinegar. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.